Tired of your awesome Looker Studio insights being trapped inside Looker Studio? Let's unlock that data. First, navigate to the Looker Studio report containing the data you want to export. Make sure you're in View mode, not Edit mode. To see the full report, look for the 3 vertical dots, the ellipsis, usually in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is your gateway to a treasure trove of options. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear now. While download as PDF might seem tempting, it's not what we want for raw data. It creates a static image of the report. Instead, look for and click on the Export Data option. This is where the magic happens. A pop-up window will appear, giving you choices about what data to export. You can typically select specific charts or tables, or export all the data from the entire report. Select the part of the report you would like to export the data from by clicking the corresponding chart or table. Make sure the option selected is the data table for the most common use case to export raw data. Next, choose your preferred file format. CSV or comma-separated values is a popular choice that works well with spreadsheet programs like Google Sheets and Excel. If you want to use this data in another visualization tool, this is the way to go. Finally, click the download button. Your data will be downloaded as a CSV file to your computer. Now you can open it in your spreadsheet program of choice, analyze it further, share it with your team, or import it into other tools. You've successfully exported data from Looker Studio.